Hello friends, this video is for those students who want to complete their audit and assurance of CA Inter in just 6 days. This video is going to tell you the preparation tips to complete your full syllabus of audit and if followed with discipline can help you in scoring exemption 2. Yes, you heard it correctly, exemption 2. So here we start with the video. Start your auditing and assurance from chapter number 10 and 11, that is company audit and audit report, and along with these chapters learn chapter number 5 which will cover your SA 240, that is auditor's responsibility relating to fraud in an audit of financial statements. In chapter number 5, firstly prefer to learn those important questions which are told by us in our videos on important questions. Link of that video is given in our description box. These 3 chapters are to be done in just 2 days and will cover 30 marks in your paper approximately. Now moving forward, chapter on the third day, start with chapter number 1, 2, 7 and 8 of study material. These chapters have weightage of 20% in your exams. You should devote maximum 1.5 days, that is 1.5 days in these chapters. 1.5 days is sufficient time for these chapters as these are not so big. Firstly, learn those important questions which are told by us in our important questions of audit and assurance videos. In our videos, we have marked total 45 questions in these 4 chapters. Link is given in the description box. Now, after doing this, we are standing on 4th day in which half day is remaining. So, on this remaining 4th day, do chapter number 4 and chapter number 6 of study material. These chapters have weightage of 10% in your exam and can be easily completed in the remaining half day. So, and in our video, we have marked 19 questions in these two chapters, chapter number 4 and 6. So after doing this, at the end of the 4th day, we have done with course that have 60% weightage in your exams. Now, on 5th day, learn chapter number 12 and 13. These chapters carry 15% weightage. Yes, 15% weightage in your exams. Do important questions of these chapters firstly, as these are lengthy chapters. See important questions of these chapters from our videos in which we have given 34 important questions on these 2 chapters, audit of banks and audit of different types of entities. Give maximum 1 day to these chapters and try to cover at least all the important questions, that is learn by heart those important questions marked by us. After that, on 6th day, that is the last day, in first half of the day do chapter number 3 and in remaining half do chapter number 9. Chapter number 3 covers 18 questions and chapter number 9 covers chapter number 9 you need to do full. These chapters cover weightage of 10 to 15% respectively in your exams. So after this, on the end of 6th day, you have finished with the audit course fully. Now you can devote your remaining time to other subjects as one of your toughest subject is over. Guys, whenever you complete any chapter, then thoroughly go with the questions provided by ICAI in the study material. Also after this, do with the questions provided by ICAI in RTP or MTP of previous attempts. Statutory warning, this day-wise allotment of chapters is made on the basis of marks that each chapter carries in the examination as provided by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Practice all the MCQs provided by ICAI in study material, RTP, MTP and 3070 assessment and do all the correct and incorrect questions. 3070 assessment link on the BOS portal, you can refer that. They cover 30 marks of your paper. Try to give at least a full reading of chapter number 9 or daily read 5 to 6 pages of that chapter so that it does not feel burdensome for you. This chapter covers auditing procedures and techniques, so if you read it daily, then slowly you will start grabbing the lines reproduced in the study material and then you can write your answers in the examination. So it is beneficial for you all to follow this schedule, as by following this schedule, you can easily complete your auditing and assurance course in just 6 days. The crux of the video is that ICAI material is the best material you can ever had. Full 100 marks paper come from the Institute material, including the multiple choice questions lines. ICAI gives the line from the study materials and asks us to explain, analyze, illustrate or elucidate. We have marked those questions in our important questions video list so as to help you. So prepare it wholeheartedly and clear our inter exams with flying colors. If you have doubt in any topic or any subject, then post it in the comment box and we will try to reply that, or we will try to post a video for a common query if quantity of the doubts is large enough. We also provide test series of all subjects of CA Final and Audit and EISSM of CA Inter at reasonable rates. You can check out the description box or comment in the comment box to take the test. Finally, we are winding up this video here. If your course of audit is completed with the help of our video series, or you score good marks or exemption with our video series, then please give us your responses in the comment box so that we can boost our confidence too. Like the video and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Also press the bell icon so that you can receive the notifications of our new videos. Thank you, study hard and make your parents feel proud.